You're watching this video because you want to remove the Windows Edge browser, and Windows makes it impossible to uninstall. If I click on search at the bottom and type in add or remove and open up the Windows uninstaller here and just scroll through and find Edge, it's right here, click on the three dots and it's grayed out, you can't uninstall it. You can click on modify, and that only works if you want to repair it, but we don't want to repair it, we want to get rid of it. So I'm going to cancel that out and close that down. I'm going to go into Google Chrome, a better browser, and at the top I want to search for Edge Remover Download. So we'll search for that. The first thing that pops up is majorgeeks.com, so we're going to click on the link, and you can see it's Edge Remover 18.35. That's what we want. So if we scroll down just to make sure, if you see these two blue pictures, that's the right one. Scroll back up, there's three links. We're just going to click on the first one at the top. Some ads will pop up, just any ads you get. You might not get that one, just exit out and just wait for it to come up. And then this right here, you can subscribe to the Major Geeks YouTube channel. It's a good channel. So in the top right, I can click on the Edge Remover right there, and I'm going to go to the Downloads folder, and I'm going to double click on it. So when it opens up, there's a blue window right here that's blocking the Edge Remover because Windows doesn't want you to remove it. Click on more information and it says that's what it is, the edgeremover.exe. Go to the bottom and click on run anyway because we want to remove it. And this little window pops up. This is the program. And if you click on yes, it says remove the Edge browser and WebView 2. But you can see right here, you can pause it on the video to read more, that if you remove WebView 2 along with Edge, then certain things aren't going to work inside Microsoft. So you want to click on no. No is actually just uninstalling the Edge browser only. So we'll click on that. And right away it's gone. It only takes a second. If we go down to the Edge icon in the taskbar, the shortcut, you click on it. It might take a moment for a window to pop up, but it's going to say you can't open it because it's been uninstalled. So if we want to remove it, just click yes, and it's gone from the bottom. Double click on the desktop icon right here, and the same thing. You can't run it because it's gone, and so it's going to remove the desktop icon. If we go into settings, it shows Edge there, but it disappears because it has been completely uninstalled. Now if you go down to the Windows Store as well, open that up and search for Edge, and Edge will show up in the search. You can see Microsoft Edge browser, but if you click on it, it thinks it's installed, it's grayed out. You can't reinstall it because it has been permanently deleted. Now you can end the video right here, but I'm also going to show you how to reinstall it if you change your mind. To reinstall Edge, go back down to Google Chrome, and in the search bar, just type in Edge Browser Download. So it's already in my search list, so I'm going to click on it. And the first link you should see is from Microsoft, and click there. And once that loads up, you just want to click in the middle, continue to download Edge. And then once this page loads up, just click on the download button in the middle there. Just accept and download. Just going to close that. X that out, and I'm going to go back down to my downloads folder, and I'm just going to double click on the Microsoft Edge setup. And I've sped this part up because this might take a while, but it's just going to install. And once it does, it's like opening Edge for the first time, so you just want to click on all the settings right there and just turn everything off. And so now it's installed. If you go back down to settings, you can see it's not there, but it's going to pop up in the uninstall. Yeah, it's right there again. X that out. And now I'm just going to put it back in the taskbar and on the desktop. So I'll just drag it out, open it up, right click, pin to taskbar, and I'm all set. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. You can always comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.